Now that's jazz, bro. That's freedom. That's improvisation. He spoke with freedom.
You and me, baby, out on the weekend. Traffic's a bitch and parking's a pain. Central Jakarta is looking pretty in the pouring rain. Yeah. And I'm so sick of drinking. Jakarta is sinking. I know what you're thinking. Can't we just stay in? 'Cause in this kind of weather, what could it be better? Just come right on over and make yourself comfy and lay your head on me. Tonight we stay sober, 'cause Santa party's in the pouring rain. And things, they ain't perfect, but I wouldn't change a thing.
Alam mo ba kanina? Ang saya, di ba, Alo? Yung napuntahan nating rides. At saka naalala mo, yung paikot-ikot na cup, ang sobrang bilis, ang saya. Ikaw, ano yung favorite ride mo dun? Hoy, sumagot ka! Parang tanga. Hoy, magsalita ka naman. Ay nako, kanina ka pa ang tahimik mo dyan. Para bang pistulang poste?
Ali, tama na. Tama na, Ali. Tama na.
Tangina? Anong tama na? Ilang araw ka ng ganyan? Tinatry kang i-approach. Pero parang ayaw mo. Tangina naman, gago. Putang ina. Dex? Dex, nasaan ka? Dex, where are you? Patay na ba ako? Dex, nasaan ka? Dex! Dex! Dex!
Ali, tandaan mo na ako.
Dex!
Tagal na akong patay. Diba?
Dex, hindi! Hindi siya patay!
We're involved in a car accident.
Oo!
For past month now. And hanggang ngayon nandito pa rin ako sa trunk mo. Ilibing mo na ako. Palayain mo na ako, Ali.
Hindi!
Ali.
Hindi ka patay! Nandito ka lang! Nandito ka lang! Nandito ka lang! Nandito ka lang kanina! Nandito ka lang kanina! Hindi ka patay!
Tanggapin mo na.
Hindi ka patay! Hindi ka patay! Hindi ka patay! Hindi ka patay! Nandito ka lang kanina! Nandito ka lang!
Pouring rain. Things, they ain't perfect, but I